If you're someone who enjoys watching videos online and doesn't mind spending a few hours doing it, then this can be a great way to make some extra cash. In this video, I am going to talk about how you can earn up to $6 every 30 seconds just by watching fun videos on the internet. And the good news is that it's super easy, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. Let me show you how it's done. So let's get started. The initial step is to visit GG2U.org. It's a free-to-join website that allows you to begin earning money immediately. Upon exploring the site, you'll notice that you can accumulate rewards by participating in surveys, playing games, watching videos, and engaging in various other activities. But for this video, we're going to focus on watching videos. This is an easy method that anyone can do without experience. Another good thing about this website is that you can get $1 for free just by signing up for a free account. Simply provide your first name, email, username, and password. If we click on the down arrow here, you'll see that they're accepting people from all around the world. Whether it's the US, UK, Australia, Canada, India, Pakistan, or any other country in the world, you can still make money online with this worldwide opportunity. After entering all your information, click here to agree to the terms and conditions. Then simply by clicking on the orange sign up button, you can claim a free $1 just for creating your free account. This is an amazing website because it offers diverse payment options. You can receive your payments daily through PayPal, Bitcoin, or other cryptocurrencies, or even some other free gift cards. Now, if you're from a country where having a PayPal account is not feasible, there's no need to worry. You also have the option to receive your funds through Skrill, Paytm, Gcash, bank transfer, or any other payment options. After completing the sign-up process, you'll be directed to this web page. Here, the site proudly declares itself as a high-paying source for survey routers and roll-offers, typically providing impressive payout rates ranging from 65% to 85%. In contrast, many other sites, even the widely popular ones, usually offer their members lower rates, ranging from 40% to 60%. You can also take advantage of our easily accessible gaming offers and video offers that have some of the best payout rates in the industry. You'll be credited $1 for every 100 coins you earn. Once you reach just $7, you can request a payout to your PayPal account or Coinbase Bitcoin, email address, and e-gift cards are also available. On the next page, you can begin earning money immediately. Below, you can sign in with a simple click on the orange button. Once you've clicked that orange button, you'll find a set of easy steps to kickstart your earnings journey. Once again, don't forget that 100 coins are equivalent to $1. This offer provides you with 550 coins, which is equivalent to $5.50. Below, you can see that this offer is worth 400 points, translating to $4. There are many ways to earn money on this website. By doing so, you can build multiple streams of income. For this particular video, we're going to focus on watching videos. For the next step, you will be redirected to your account. Here's a glimpse of my dashboard on the GG2U website, where I received $1 just for signing up for a free account. Once I accumulate an additional $6, I can then cash out my earnings. Please note that you can only redeem your earnings after reaching a minimum of $7. Make sure to consistently work towards reaching and maintaining this threshold. As you can observe, there are many other companies with different offers that anyone can take advantage of. For example, take eToro, a very well-known company. Here you can also find AdGem Lootably, BitLabs, Hang My Ads, Revenue Universe, and tons of other options. All these renowned companies provide opportunities for you to earn money through simple tasks like completing surveys, downloading apps, or watching videos. Feel free to click on any of these companies to kickstart your journey to making money instantly. So if you want to start making money by watching videos, you can just go ahead and click on this video button right now. Here, you will notice the autoplay feature. For every 200 video points you accumulate, you'll be awarded a silver token, which contributes $1 to $3 to your account balance. To start earning money, first, begin by selecting one of these options. As an example, go to Hideout TB Chillax. This will redirect you to a video you can watch to start earning money. To maximize your earnings, I suggest keeping the tab open and letting the videos play in the background while you engage in other activities such as work or study. As promised, here are a few bonus tips that can help you earn 3 times more money than other people on the website. So now, click on the gear settings right here, and then click on the lower settings, which is 240p. Keep this tab open and click on multiple videos offers and open them in new tabs, then watch them all at the same time in the background. That can help us to make triple or even 5 times more money, but you have to keep in mind that they also consume a lot of our internet speed and a lot more data. Therefore, select the lowest playback resolution settings option, which is 240p, to get better internet speed. And it doesn't matter whether you have an iPhone or an Android phone to watch this video. You can use any device you want to take advantage of this opportunity at absolutely no cost. And that's about it. Watching videos is indeed a great way to make money, and by following a few simple tips I've mentioned earlier, you can maximize your earnings. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to receive instant updates whenever we release new videos. Also, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.